Hello, in this video we're going to look at installing plugins on your Transform engine. If you go to the Library tab of the client software, you'll see a plugin library, and at the bottom you'll see Add or Remove Plugins. At this point you'll be warned that entering the Add or Remove Plugin environment will stop the audio engine. Continue to Add or Remove Plugins and open your plugin host. Here you'll find the virtual Windows environment. At this point you need to get your installers using your own personal computer and a USB key, download them and transfer them to that, and plug them into any of the USB ports on the Transform engine. Once here, you can search for this PC using the search bar and navigate to your USB key. Select your USB key and find your installer. And here's where you can select which plugins you want to install. If you double click, for example, this SSL plugin, it brings up a setup window. Select Next and agree to your license agreement. And at this point, depending on the plugin, you can select your components. For the Transform engine, you don't need AAX or VST, as we're a VST-free host. Hit Next and you'll get to destination folder. Leave this as default as you don't need to change it, and select Install. Once installed, it'll give you the option to finish. At this point, ensure your iLock or other licensed device is plugged into the Transform engine. Once happy, hit Close and rescan plugins. At this point, it'll scan for plugins. If you have an issue, it will give you the option to open host and locate the license file. If not, it will scan through successfully. Hit Finish, and you'll see your installed plugins. And hit Close, and it will restart the audio engine. At this point, your plugin's now installed. You can go back to the Home tab, select your plugin chain, and hit Add. In here, I'll add my SSL plugin I just installed. You'll see the lightning bolts as it spins up the plugin. Double click on the plugin, and you'll now be taken to the plugin view. At this point, you're free to use your plugins and configure as you wish. And if you want guidance on other plugin manufacturer installations, refer to our manual on FourierAudio.com.